How you guys doing today? Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be going over the code generator bot under the content and media section. So the moment we click on code generator within the content and media section, this is an AI that goes and creates code for you guys. So I know a lot of you guys need help with coding, codes and all that type of stuff. So this helps you create and generate code, helps you if you have any issues with code, helps you if you need problem solving a code. So we'll go over some prompts right now and I'll give an example. As you can see over here, some of the prerequisites that they already say that you guys can go and put within the code generator is: got an idea, let's turn it into a clean functional code together. Need a quick code solution, just describe it and I'll write the code. Stuck on a coding problem, let me generate the perfect snippet for you. So I'm gonna go with this one over here. Let's turn it into a clean functional code together. I want to create a code where it takes the user input and it basically creates a mini profile about them. Please give me a code that does this. Tailor it into your own way into what we ask the user about. And it created it right over here. Here's a simple Python code that is a user input into a mini profile. The problem asks for details such as name, age, email, hobbies, and short bio. So as we go over here, print, welcome to mini profile creator. Collecting user input, name, age, email, hobby, profile. Displaying the profile, run the function, explanation, and it gives you a whole explanation about the code too. So you guys can even add on to this by asking it, if you have a code that you have wrote and you need help on it, you can copy paste the code right over here. And you could say, I have a problem on line 57 on the code. This print statement is not working because can you please explain to me how to fix this or make it? It will explain the whole thing for you. So if you guys need help with code generators, come to this bot. It can help you generate code and fix code and help you with whatever you need.